Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the My Documents module, which is designed as a generic repository for all WHS related documents and files related to the workplace. Like all system modules, this module is accessible via the module navigation menu. The access and inclusions visible vary according to individual user access levels. They're controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. The My Documents module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. Below the module name are the main controls. In this case, the plus icon, which allows creation of a new record, and the export icon that exports all data from this module in CSV format. To the right are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. And depending on when your access to the system was created, you may also see a link to an archive in this area of the module. Below the main controls are the search and filtering tools that are common to many modules in the system. Entering 3 characters or more into the search field presents any relevant results that can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all the results. To clear the results and return to the full list of all records, either go back and reselect the module from the module navigation menu, or clear the contents of the search field and then reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to most modules, although the filters themselves do vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows export of the filtered search results in CSV format. And below the export icon, the next of the list controls are the list headings. The arrow icon in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary or an extended view of each record in the list. And the up and down arrows to the left and right of the list heading area sorts the records by record title or date created in either ascending or descending order. When the brief summary of each record in the list is displaying, the Actions icon to the right of each record pops open the action controls, and when the extended record's being displayed, the action controls are directly accessible. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information and the tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which goes into greater detail about the functionality and controls available. Desktop tutorials appear alongside the help notes at the top of each module when viewing your workplace on a desktop computer. We also recommend you view the System Overview for Mobile tutorial published on the system's dedicated YouTube channel. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.